Hi everyone, thank you for joining me at Gillian's Art Flow. I'm working on a 12 by 24 inch canvas, and as you can see I'm laying down the base layer. That is, it's many different colours mixed together because I'm using the runoffs and the scrappages from previous paintings. Once I'm happy with this, I've gone ahead and got my colours. I will be swiping using the kitchen paper that's been dampened on the edge. The first line that I put down there is Paynes grey. That's going to be my swipe line, and I'm going to follow that with a line either side of that of a mix of DecoArt Blue and DecoArt Ice Blue, and then you'll see me put a wavy line of DecoArt Worn Penny, and then I will swipe. I'll list all the paints down below for you. So I'm going to use the Winsor & Newton Paynes grey again as my swipe line, and then follow it either side of that line with a mix of Sennelier Light Violet and DecoArt Purple Pearl. Again, I'll do a line of the DecoArt Worn Penny, and then I'll swipe. I really am liking how this is turning out. Okay, final line right in the middle of those two. Once again, I'll use the Winsor & Newton Paynes grey as the swipe. I'm trying to decide, I'm not going to make the middle line as long as the other two, as you will see. I'll stop it kind of short. I'm going to put a line either side of it of Royal and Langnickel bright green yellow. Beautiful colour. I always get scared when I'm using it because it is really bright, but it always turns out lovely. And then of course I'll top that off with a line of Worn Penny. have it, the finished article. I'm so pleased that this worked out. It's always a really good feeling when you have an idea in your head and you actually manage to get it down on canvas. And it did work. So I'm just going to blow out the odd bubble or two that's lurking around. Knowing me, I'll probably tweak a couple of times and then sit back for the painting to dry.